All right, let's cut straight across to Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, who have left for Hathras from 10 Janpat just about a little while ago, and that is the cavalcade of cars that is left from 10 Janpat. It is on its way at the moment to Hathras. They are on their way to show solidarity to the victims' family, to the victims' kin right there, and of course have expressed their displeasure over the prohibitory orders in place as well. Live visuals coming in at the moment. What you see on your screens right now, the live visuals that are coming in from the Delhi-Noida, Delhi highway, the DND. This is at the Noida border. Live visuals at the moment. My colleague Anand will be able to explain these live visuals better to confirm whether or not this is indeed the cavalcade or these are just civilian vehicles or are these just civilian vehicles that are passing at the moment. But live visuals on your screen from DND where heavy security deployment has been done. Priyanka Gandhi, remember, has expressed a displeasure over and slammed the Yogi government over the prohibitory orders that are in place in Hathras. Anand is joining us for all the very latest. Anand, we're getting these latest visuals. If you could just walk our viewers through what is happening. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Rahul, have they reached the DND or is there still a little time? Anand, can you hear me? Let's fix that audio with Anand Patel. It's very important for us to fix that audio given the fact that he is on ground at the DND, and we will be getting many more updates coming in from the DND any moment now. As the cavalcade of Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, who are on their way to Hathras, will be passing the DND any time now, and questions arising on whether they are going to be stopped at the DND or not, because from the visuals that you can see, there is heavy security deployment at the DND. Congress workers have taken to the streets as well, protesting regarding what happened in Hathras. Of course, Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi on their way to show solidarity to the victims' kin, also at the same time slamming the Yogi government over the prohibitory orders. Anand Patel is now joining us. Anand, if you could just walk us through the live visuals that are coming in, what's happening at the DND at the moment.
Well, yes, you can see the police personnel is already standing here, and the workers on the other side. We can see some movement, some vehicles coming. We can see the workers rushing towards some vehicles coming at a distance. You can see them, and perhaps that's the vehicle of Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, who are trying to cross this Delhi-UP border. We can see all the workers rushing to those vehicles at a distance from here, and they will have to pass through the lanes where we are standing, and the cops already swinging into action. Chaiti, looks like the cops are getting into action. The cops.
Anand, when you say the cops are swinging into action, what do you mean? Do you mean that they're swinging into action for the security so that no untoward incident takes place, or are swinging into action to stop these vehicles from passing? If you could just clarify.
You can see the senior cops are already standing there on the other side to stop them. You can clearly see a clear intent on part of the police and the administration here. They are here all lined up, and you can see the motorcade which is coming at a little distance. So it does clearly shows that there is a clear intent of the cops to stop them. We can see on both the lanes, senior officials have already lined up in anticipation of the motorcade, which is the lane they will take. Both the lanes, the officials are here, and the motorcade is approaching. You can see the motorcade which is coming towards the DND Plaza, and they have been joined by some hundreds of workers, Chaiti. All the drama playing out here at the DND Plaza.
We can see those workers in large numbers right there, but without drawing up any conjectures, have the cops and the senior cops at the moment tried to stop these vehicles from passing? That is the big question, and that is going to be a big headline in case they end up stopping these vehicles.
Well, in any moment they'll be here, and there are cops, senior cops lined up on both sides of the road to stop the motorcade, and looks like they will be questioned as to where they are heading to, and they'll be informed that Hathras Section 144 is imposed and it is out of bounds. So clearly that word will be passed on to them. It remains to be seen as
but
to
then
whether
stop them when they're entering Hathras. Why stop them at the DND from entering the state of Uttar Pradesh and leaving Delhi? That is a big question at the moment, Anand.
Yes, certainly it is a big question, Chaiti, but this is what the SOP which the administration follows. If the political parties try to head toward ground zero, this is what the standard operating procedure is. You remember last year when Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi were traveling to Western UP to meet some of the family members of those who were killed in anti-CAA protests. They were stopped at the Delhi UP border itself and not allowed to enter the UP border.
Yeah, Anand, let's for now not drop any conjectures, because from what it looks like, the vehicular movement has slowed down, because there are a lot of Congress workers, as we can see from the visuals, who are walking alongside the vehicles, and the vehicles will be passing very slowly, and in case they are stopped, we'll only know when they really hit that toll naka where one leaves Delhi and enters UP. Where has the car exactly reached at the moment? Because these cars are flanked by workers of the Congress party from what we can see from the visuals that are coming in, Anand.
Yes, we can see the workers chanting slogans and trying to walk past this Delhi UP border. And you can see that's Sandeep Singh, who is a close aide of Priyanka Gandhi. He, along with the workers, are trying to walk past the UP border, and they have passed easily. You can see them, all these workers trying to cross the Delhi UP border, and they have not been stopped. You see, these workers have not been stopped. They have been allowed to walk past the toll plaza, and it remains to be seen as to that's Randeep Surjewala, and he's also trying to make his way past. That's Randeep Surjewala. He's also along with KC Venugopal trying to cross the plaza, and you can see the senior Congress workers. They are passing through this barrier, and we can see Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka. I think they are not here in these vehicles. These are Congress leaders, senior Congress leaders.
So KC Venugopal and Randeep Singh Surjewala have reached the DND. If you can confirm, Anand, if their vehicle is being allowed to pass or not. And of course, they are being flanked by the Congress workers, and hence the movement looks like it is slowed down. But is the police on ground or the UP administration trying to stop them is the question. Anand.
Yes, let's see this try and speak to these leaders who are here.
पुलिस कह रही है कि 144 लगा हुआ है।
144 तो कोरोना के अधीन पहले भी लगा हुआ था, तब कहाँ थी ये फोर्स? जब ये प्रकरण हो गया, इतना बड़ी घटना हो गई, तब कहाँ थी फोर्स?
I can identify that as the voice of Randeep Singh Surjewala. Can we get the volume up, please?
Hathras, where the victim family is.
तो आप तस्वीरों में देख रहे हैं।
Again,
We are told that both Rahul and Priyanka are heading towards that place, and the entire place has been turned into a containment zone.
yeah, so as you can see, look at the amount of force that there is here. If this police force was used to stop the crime, and every day in Uttar Pradesh you are hearing stories, even today there's the case in Balrampur, then it would have been beneficial for the society and for the country. But what is this force here for? To stop somebody to going through a grieved family? Yes. What law and order has been disrupted? Nothing.
So is Rahul and Priyanka taking this route, or they are going by some?
I really don't know, but they plan to go to visit the family of the aggrieved, and there's no crime in that.
All right, so no confirmation there from Jitin Prasad as of now. We can't see the motorcade of Rahul and Priyanka as of now, whereas the senior leaders have already crossed this barrier. They have not been stopped. Looks unlikely whether they'll be stopped or not, but for sure, at the moment, there is complete chaos here, Chaiti. You can see the Congress workers have all lined up in these two lanes, which are operational. and to allow the traffic.
So can you confirm at the moment whether Randeep Singh Surjewala and KC Venugopal have crossed the DND at the moment? The vehicles you just mentioned were not stopped. Have they passed the toll plaza from where you leave Delhi and enter UP? Anand?
Yes, absolutely, Chaiti. I saw Randeep Surjewala driving along with KC Venugopal and also Jitin Prasad and all other senior UP leaders. They've all crossed this toll plaza and heading towards Hathras. I spoke to Jitin Prasad a little while ago, and he was telling me that why this entire deployment has been done is just try to roadblock the convoy of the Gandhi siblings who are trying to make towards Hathras and meet the family of the victim. So clearly, the Congress party has turned this into a political battle. As you can see, the Congress flags fluttering all over alongside B.R. Ambedkar, the Dalit icon, Dalit leader, and the workers chanting slogans that the Yogi government hasn't done enough and the Chief Minister should resign. So clearly, big political battle it's turning out to be, and it's led to a complete chaos here at DND with the workers blocking the operational bylanes of the DND plaza.
So we can confirm that certain Congress leaders have crossed the DND and they were not stopped at the Delhi toll plaza and they could leave Delhi and enter UP, and there was no issue. It's just that the Congress workers are on ground at the moment. They're in protest. There is no arson, no violence. They're just protesting. It's their democratic right. They're unhappy with the manner in which things unfolded at Hathras, and Congress convoy is trying to pass the DND as we speak. Question still remains, Anand, and I reiterate, where is the vehicle of Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi at the moment? Anand, are you able to hear me? Anand, can you hear me? We'll get Anand back in just about a bit for all the very latest updates, but staying with these live visuals that are coming in from DND at the moment, what my colleague Anand Patel just reported is that Randeep Surjewala and KC Venugopal's vehicles crossed the DND with much ease. The police did not try to stop them. Let's listen in. Looks like that is the vehicle of Priyanka and Rahul Gandhi, but we cannot confirm unless Anand confirms this to us. A lot of Congress party workers are flanking these vehicles. Let's put the net up and listen in to what the Congress workers are chanting at the moment in the sloganeering that is going on ground right now. Anand can hear us now. Anand, if you could confirm if this is the vehicle on our screens which is ferrying Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi finally being able to cross the border.
Innova, Chaiti, and we can tell you it's all surrounded by the Congress workers. We are not even able to get a glimpse of these two leaders because the entire vehicle has been mobbed by the Congress workers. You see hundreds of them, and even the security forces. You can get a glimpse of Rahul. And Rahul Gandhi sitting on the front seat of that vehicle, but it's a complete chaos. You can see the vehicle has been mobbed by the party workers here, and you can see Priyanka Gandhi at the rear seat alongside Ajay Kumar Lallu, and security forces are trying to keep the workers aside who have mobbed the vehicle. Complete chaos here at DND with the vehicles completely blocking the way, and the workers also have mobbed the vehicles and convoy of Rahul and Priyanka. Both Rahul and Priyanka are in one car together. And
have they crossed the DND? Have they crossed the DND? Have they entered UP?
They have entered UP. Yes, we can confirm that. Both Rahul and Priyanka, they have crossed the DND and they have entered UP. Their vehicles are moving towards
Priyanka Gandhi have crossed the DND, which means they're on their way to Hathras at the moment, and there could be a political face-off now when they try to enter Hathras, given that prohibitory orders are in place and Section 144 has been imposed by the UP administration. Now, coming back to the scene, which we are getting you live from the DND, one quick question, Anand. How much inconvenience is being caused to the regular commuters who are trying to cross the DND, going from Delhi to Noida to work?
But you can see what's happening here. You can see the entire DND, the security and the law and order arrangements which were made by the UP police completely thrown out of here. And the vehicles are now headed towards Hathras. The police didn't stop them. And the vehicle of Rahul and Priyanka were mobbed by the Congress party workers. It was very difficult to even get a glimpse of both brother and sister. Rahul was sitting on the front car and Priyanka Gandhi was sitting on the rear seat alongside Ajay Kumar Lallu, who is the president of Uttar Pradesh Congress Committee. But you can see complete chaos here, and the Congress worker vehicles have completely jammed the entire place. Chaiti, now we'll have to follow the vehicle of Priyanka Gandhi because we have to be along with her on this.
All right, I'm gonna let you carry on and follow this particular vehicle and the convoy of Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi, who are on their way to Hathras. So there was no face-off as far as the police and the convoy of Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi and other Congress party leaders like Kesu Venugopal and Randeep Singh Surjewala are concerned. Nobody tried to stop them. It is just the Congress workers who they are being flanked by. They are in protest against the incident, the horrific incident that took place in Hathras. A lot of support coming in from the Congress party workers, by their own party workers right there at the DND, which is why you see these chaotic visuals that are coming in on your screens at the moment. But there has been no stoppage. The vehicles have not been stopped from entering the state of Uttar Pradesh. They're already in Uttar Pradesh, which means they're on their way to Hathras at the moment. A political face-off perhaps in the offing in Hathras as Section 144 has been imposed in Hathras, and that is probably where they might be stopped. And Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has already slammed the Yogi Adityanath government on the prohibitory orders that are in place in Hathras at the moment, questioning why it is required at the moment.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.